session. Okay. So any questions on the topics what we have discussed so far? Anything which you want to discuss, guys?
As of now, no, Tanvir. I have a clear idea on all the concepts what we do.
Okay, good. So yesterday we have seen that yesterday we have seen left join, right outer join, full outer join, right? So any question on that? No questions?
No.
Okay, good. So left join, full outer join, and all these things I've taught you.
Tell me one thing, Tanvir. Basically, we will use inner join, left join, right join, full upper join. That's all we use. Apart from that, other joints are there. Whether we will be using in real time or
in real time, cross join almost this is never used. Okay, to be honest, cross join we never use.
okay.
Mostly you will use inner join and a left join, right and self join. Okay, full outer join again that is very rarely used, but this inner join and left and right outer join are used very frequently. Okay.
Okay.
So, and this is like a bread and butter if you're working in SQL world. Okay. So, fine. I want to show you some more advanced concepts of this SQL. And then yesterday, actually, I was creating a video on joins. Some of my students from previous batch, they have asked a question, but that video which was not created properly. Okay. Now, suppose this is again the same example I'm taking so that you can understand this in a better way. Select a start from books. So these all are the books we have discussed same yesterday as well. Select a start from authors. Okay, authors. So what I am planning is and the current batch it's going on in same time. So I will allow you guys to attend the join batch, the join classes. If you guys are interested, you can attend that again. Okay, your wish. So fine. Suppose here I have this book ID, comma a dot book name. Sorry, I have bad throat. Author name from books A, join. Authors, yeah. Books A, join. Authors B on A dot book ID is equal to B dot book ID. I know this is very simple. I'm executing this, and please tell me, is this clear or not? How this is clear to everyone? Very simple, inner join, right?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So if you think that why I'm not written inner, your wish. If you want to write inner, you can write inner. If you don't want, just write join. That's not a problem. You can see we got the same output. Okay. So now the same thing. My manager asked me that why this basics of SQL is not visible, right? So what to do here? What to do? Again, the basics of SQL is not
left join.
Left join. Okay.
Left join.
So I will use left outer join, and I will write this query, and then let's see whether we are getting basics of SQL or not. So now we got basics of SQL is coming. Before I proceed further, any question here? I know this is a repetition of yesterday's class. It's clear? Okay. But this is not the question which I want to ask. The question is, suppose I am attending an interview. Okay, and the interviewer asks me that show me this basics of SQL book as well. I have written this query and I have shown this. Okay. So now the interviewer is asking question. Please listen carefully. Interviewer is asking question that, okay, fine, Tanvir, you have shown this basics of SQL. This is fine. Output is correct. But I want you to use right outer join. You have used left outer join. I want you to use a right outer join. Now tell me what I have to do in this query.
Need to swap authors and books with each
Okay, I
other.
need to swap it. So you mean I need to keep it here, this side,
Yes.
and books here. Sorry, here, and I have to write right outer
Yes.
join. Right. This is what you're telling.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. How many of you agree with this solution? Is this correct? Or anyone who has some different opinion?
Agree.
You all agree that
Agree.
this is correct? Okay.
Yeah.
You all agree? Then let me run this. I am not sure this will work or not. Okay. Congratulations. This is working. Okay. Now, you have used right outer join. This query is giving the same output. You have used left outer join. This query is doing the same output. Just we have changed the table name. First of all, before I proceed further, anyone who has confusion that Tanvir, this is not clear to me. What has happened here? Please repeat. Please ask question if you want me to repeat this. Then I will switch further with the topic. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, Tanvir.
Okay. Now, if it is clear, then that interviewer is asking me that, okay, fine, Tanvir, you have used left outer join, you got the same output. You have used right outer join, you got the same output. Correct. Fine. Then why we have these two things, left and right? Left alone can do the task. It can fetch the result. Then why those ANSI people, they have created this right outer join? I don't think any benefit of this, because all alone left is able to give me the output. Then what is the purpose of right? Is the question clear? What I'm trying to ask?
Yeah.
This is the query I have written, right? Left outer join. I got the output. I've shown you, we got the output. Then I asked you guys that, okay, I want this output from right outer join. You have swapped the table and you have shown me that, Tanvir, this is the output. I executed this. I observed that, okay, yeah, this is correct output. Then I'm asking you this question. Then that, okay, left alone can do that task. It is sufficient, right? Then why are this ANSI people, the SQL scientists and all those guys, Oracle or IBM, whoever has created this, why they have created this right keyword? Is the question clear? I think question is not clear.
Yes. Yes. Clear. Tanvir.
Clear. Question is clear. Okay. Think over this. I am giving you today's time. Think over this. This is very interesting. And tell me tomorrow that what is the reason that why we have this right. Or you can think other way around, that if right can do, the right can fulfill the requirement, then why we have this left? What is the purpose of this? And there is a strong reason for this. Okay. Think over this and then we'll discuss this in tomorrow class. Fine then. Then proceeding further with the assignment. Okay, now take this example. Okay. Now this is an employee table I'm trying to create. Name is already used by listing object job table employee job this table. Making this table again. So this is my employee table. Okay, and let me show you the data. From info. Is that okay? So this is the data in front of you. Okay, employee table. Now there is a requirement. Okay, there is a requirement, and the requirement is I forgot to tell you one thing. Okay, I will tell you after this. After this, please remind me about this diagram. I have to tell you one thing about this diagram. Okay. Now, the question is, this is your employee table. Okay. Now, my manager is asking me to show this information that for each and every employee, show me the manager name. If manager name is not assigned, then mark it as NA. This is the requirement. Suppose for employee name A, tell me who is the manager?
4, 4.
4.
Manager.
What is the name of
D.
4? D, right?
D.
D. Okay. For employee name B, who is the manager? 5.
E.
5 means E. Very good. Okay. For employee name C, who is the manager? 6. 6 means F.
Yeah.
F is the manager. For employee D, there is 5. 5 means E is the manager. Okay. For employee E, for employee, there is no manager, so we'll mark it as NA. Correct? For employee
Yeah.
F, there is no manager, we'll mark it as NA. So this is the requirement. Okay, this is the requirement that we want the employee name and the manager name. Fine, from this table. So now let's try to understand this, how to solve this kind of question. So what I will do, first of all, I will copy this table employee. Okay, I will copy the same table again. So I will make alias as A, and this, sorry, alias A, and this is an alias B. Okay, now listen please very carefully. Now for employee name A, okay, now this is a requirement. We want employee name, we want the manager name. Okay, this is the requirement. Now for employee name A, consider this example, employee name A. Oh, employee name A. How we found this value, manager name D? What we have done for this employee name, we search for the manager ID 4, correct? Correct, no? We have taken this manager ID 4 from here. Then this manager ID 4, you search in which column?
Employee ID.
In employee ID.
Employee ID, very good, very good, good. So you have taken this manager ID from this table A, and then you are searching this manager ID 4 in table, employee ID of table B. So you are searching this for, where is this for? So this is the value 4. So you will stop here and you pick this employee name D and you will copy it here. This is the approach you are following, guys. Correct? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, then.
Now, okay, good. Now let please help me in writing the query. So first of all, from this employee A table, I will get the employee name, right? So I will write select A dot employee name. Okay. Now from this B table, again, I am taking this employee name, right? So B dot employee name, but I will mark this as a manager name alias. Correct? No. So I'm giving a manager name as alias. Okay. From which table? First of all, from employee table E. From employee table A, you are joining which table? Employee table B, this table, right? And what is the joining condition, guys? You are taking
Manager
manager ID. Yeah, manager ID from table A.
On-
A dot
on.
manager ID is equals
B dot
B dot
E dot employee ID.
employee ID. Great, very good. Very good. Now let me run this query. Let me execute this query. Now please tell me, you got the output or not? You got the output?
No, but null are not included.
Oh, okay. So there is a mistake in the output. First of all, the matching values are correct. A, D, B, D, F, D, and C, F. This is correct. But the question is that Tanvi, we have not got this E and F. This employee name E and F is missing in the output. So now please help me. What should I do here? What to do here? First of all, tell me why this 5 and 6 is missing. E and F is missing. What is the reason why this is missing? First of all, tell me this point. Because
5 and 6 like employee ID and employee ID we have 5 and 6, but manager ID we do not have 5 and 6, and that is
right.
the joining
Very good.
condition.
So here
That-
this manager ID is null and we cannot compare this with null, right? So that's why this is not coming. But my manager is telling that no, I want to see this employee name as well. So what I have to do? What should I do here, guys? Left outer join, right? So just right here, left outer join. Now tell me you got the output E and F. Is this the correct output?
Yes.
Yeah, the manager ID, we want it to be NVA.
Ah, very good. We got this employee name E and F, but the manager ID is showing as null. But if you remember in the question I have mentioned that if manager ID is not, manager name is not present, you have to mark it as NA, correct? But here the manager name is coming as null. How to mark this as an NA? What I have to do here?
NVL we
NVL.
can.
We
NVL.
will use NVL function. Now you are saying no, the benefit of NVL. Now you will use NVL here, comma, then you mark it as NA. Okay, you run this again. So now guys, this is your final query and you got the output. Is this clear? Any question here?
No, Tanvir.
No questions. Okay.
Tanvir, one question.
Yeah. You still.
When we were using the inner join, right, on table, so that is known as self join, right?
Yeah, that is what I am coming here. Just give me 1 minute, 1 minute. Just that is what I was coming here. So in this question, you will see that the same table employee, I am joining. In this joining, I have used the same table employee, right? Only one table. This kind of join is known as self join. Why in the beginning I have not told you this self join? Actually, self join is not any concept. This is no concept. Okay. The self join is same as inner join only. If you see here, syntax, everything is same as inner join. The only thing is both the tables are the same table. And that is why we have coined that, okay, this is self join. But actually, if you are thinking from concept wise, self join is not a new concept. This is exactly same as inner join. Okay, the only difference is you are using the same table. Okay, same table we are using, employee A and employee B. That is why we are given the name as self join. Okay. Yeah, please proceed. Yeah. Asking question.
But if we are doing left outer join also, right, on the same table. So is it restricted only for inner join, then only it's self join, or if you are using left outer?
Two tables, if you are using two tables and they both are same, you can do inner join, you can do left outer join, you can do right outer join, you can do full outer join, whatever you want, you can do that. There is no issue. Just we have given the name as self join because we are using the same table. That is why this is just a name only. Concept wise, it is exactly same. Okay, this is just a name only. Have I answered your question?
Okay. Yes, Tanvir. Yes.
This is what you're asking, or something different you were trying to ask?
Yeah, the same thing.
Same. Actually, why I don't tell self join, because the students know, they get confused. They think that self join is a different concept. No, self join is not a concept. For me, I don't think that inner, left, right, full. These all are not no concepts at all. For me, there is only one concept: inner join. That's all. Left is not different. This is exactly same as inner only. The only difference is you are writing left. So the data, the records which are left out, you will get that record as well. Otherwise, the concept, the syntax is same only, right? Same syntax we're using. Concept is same only. The only difference is the data which will be fetched. So that's why don't get confused with the self join, because I've seen many students, they will get afraid after hearing the name self join. How we can join two tables which are the same? There's no difference. Exactly same as inner join. That's why when I started this topic, I have not told you that I'm teaching you self join. So that's why I thought that, okay, first of all, I will tell you this, then I will tell you that I was teaching you self join. Is this clear? Is this clear, guys? Clear? Okay, good. Now, after this, I want to teach you one more concept. And guys, please ask questions if you have any. Okay. Fine. Actually, I don't know how to paint this. Yeah, Milan.
Tanvir, we can add more number of joint condition, right? Say for example, instead of based on the business
correct,
condition,
correct.
based on our requirement, we can run. Just we have to.
Right, right. You can and you can write and you can write other conditions as well. Okay.
Yeah.
You can
People
write n number
might
of conditions.
not aware of that. That's the reason I am also planning.
You can add n number of conditions. Actually, today I am creating a video on this because many of my students from the previous batch as well, they have asked this kind of question. Actually, that data was there, but I missed that data. But I will show you that tomorrow. Okay. But yeah, you can add a number of conditions, guys. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, now shall I proceed further? Any other question, guys, please? No questions?
No, Tanvir. No.
Tanvir, you're
yeah.
saying n number of joining conditions.
Okay. Suppose here you want to add one more condition. You can add one more condition here. One more joining condition. I think this is not clear now. So leave this. Okay. Tomorrow I will create a what I can tell. I will create a new data and there I will try to show you that. Is that clear?
Okay, Tanvir.
Because I think if I will tell you in virtual world now, you will get confused. That's why I'll try to explain it tomorrow. But actually I was having one question here. Yesterday I was working on that. I have recorded it, but no, due to some problem, it was not recorded properly. I'm searching if I have the joins.sql. No, it is in downloads folder, I think. 1 minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. If I have that, I will show you. This is the one, I think. Correct. Correct. Got it. Let me show you this quickly, okay? Okay, or else I will show you here only, if you can understand here, because I will create a video on this today. You can see this is one employee table and this is a location table, okay? And I'm joining these two tables. This is the inner join I have used, okay? Now here you can see, here I have used one condition, employee ID is equal to employee ID, right? And then I have used another condition as well. So this is what I'm telling you, that you can use n number of conditions. So here in this query, this is the first condition. And then this is the second condition. And then if you have some other condition, you can add some other condition as well. Just you have to write enter and write other conditions. So if you have n number of conditions, you can add those conditions after this. This is what I'm saying. Or else we will discuss this tomorrow. Yeah.
This condition, like once join is happening and then we are filtering the data, right, on b dot location as Delhi.
Yeah.
It's filtering condition, right? I thought we are using multiple joining conditions.
Joining, you can use that as well. Suppose you have something value here, a dot department ID. Okay, suppose you have this and you have department ID in other table as well. So you can use this as well. This I think you are talking about this. So this is one joining condition. This is another joining condition. You can join based on two conditions as well. Okay, I will show you one example based on this tomorrow because I have to create data. Okay, or suppose if you have three tables, you can join three tables as well with multiple other conditions. Okay, but don't get confused now. Leave this. When I will show you with data, I will discuss this tomorrow. I know this is a bit confusing. Okay, don't get confused with that right now. Okay, so tell me this matching record I want. So this is which join? This matching record I want. Come on, guys, this is which join? Tell me quickly.
Inner join.
This green color data I want. This is inner join, right? Okay, this is inner join. Okay. This is inner join. Now I want this data.
Left outer.
This is which join, guys?
Left outer.
This is clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, this is left outer join. Okay, fine. This is left outer join. Okay. Okay, fine. Actually, I want to show you something. Nowadays, you have a SQL cheat sheet. You will see a lot of cheat sheets are there in that LinkedIn group. Okay, so there is some mistake in those cheat sheets. That's what I want to tell you here. That don't blindly trust on any message, any article on LinkedIn. Okay, that's what I want to show you here. So now this is another table. Okay. This is a table A, and this is a table B. Okay. Now, okay. So I want this data. So this is how I can get left outer join, right? Correct?
Yes, yes.
You all agree? Okay. Now I have a question. And you might have seen this kind of diagrams and SQL cheat sheets you will see on LinkedIn or some other platform. People, they will share this kind of diagrams, right? Okay. This is your left outer join. 1 minute, guys. Okay, hope this is clear. Now, you guys are telling that this is left outer join. Okay. Okay. But suppose I will tell, I am challenging you that no, this is not left outer join. I'm challenging that. Okay, or else I'm telling that no, this is right outer join. This is right outer join. I'm telling this is right outer join, and you guys are telling Tanvir this is left outer join. But I'm telling that no, this is right outer join. Can you prove me that I am correct or I am wrong? If I'm wrong, how I'm wrong? If I'm correct, how I am correct?
If it is right outer join, then we are joining like from table B, right outer join table A.
Okay, so you are telling Tanvir, if you are telling this is right outer join, so you have to write query like this: be right outer join
Join.
table
Yeah.
A. This is what you are telling.
Yeah.
Okay, and if this is left outer join, so you are telling that Tanvir, you have to write left outer join B. Correct? This is what you are telling. This is what you're telling, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Anyone who has some different opinion? So you are telling that this data which is in green, okay, this can be achieved using A left outer join B or B right outer join A. This is what you are telling. Is this correct? You all agree? Anyone who thinks that no, this is not correct? Guys, please tell yes or no. You agree or not? Anyone who wants to challenge this? Or this is complicated.
I agree on this.
You all agree, right? Okay. Now what happened? That's good that you all have understood this well. This answer is correct. Very good. Perfect. I admire this. What happened once I was taking interview? Okay. And same question I have asked that, okay, this is the diagram and this is the area, green color. And this is again like your green color area. I want this area. Okay. Tell me the query. Now I just asked that this is which join, inner join, left join, right outer join, or full outer join, cross join, or self join. He told that, okay, yes, Tanvir, this is a left outer join. This is example of left outer join. Okay. Then I asked that, no, this, I think this is right outer join. Prove me this is correct or incorrect. If you think that this is not right outer join, then tell me that this is not a right outer join and justify your answer. He told that, no, this is left outer join. This cannot be right outer join. This diagram, if you're telling this is right outer join, this is incorrect. Okay. I asked the reason. He told that we have studied this in SQL cheat sheets, and there it is mentioned that this is left outer join. This is not right outer join because you are taking the data from the, first of all, you're taking the data which is common in both the tables, and then you're taking the data which is from the left table. I told you that is fine. I agree this. But my question is, can I achieve this using right outer join? That is my question, yes or no? He told that no, you cannot achieve this. I asked the reason. He told that because I have seen multiple SQL cheat sheets. In all the cheat sheets, it is mentioned like this. Okay, now, have you guys seen this kind of SQL cheat sheets?
No.
Anyone in this group?
No.
No. Oh, you have not seen. So if you have not seen, it's difficult. But maybe I will share one. You will see on LinkedIn, a lot of this kind of SQL cheat sheets are there where they will share this kind of diagrams and they will tell that this is left outer join, right outer join. So the crux of the story is don't get confused with that. And I admire that you have given the right answer. Very good. Don't stick to that. if someone is showing you this kind of diagram, especially in data analyst role, okay, when you will clear the technical one and some other L2 or L3, they will ask this kind of question. So just check your depth understanding. So this can be achieved using left outer join. This can be achieved using right outer join as well. So you cannot take this as a Bible that, oh no, this means left outer join only. So no, this can depict right outer join as well. Okay, is that clear, guys?
Yes, Tanvir.
Yes, yes,
Is this
Tanvir.
clear? Any question on this? No? So fine. So this was all about join. I will show you one example tomorrow on that multiple joining conditions which we have discussed now. Okay. Tomorrow is Thursday, I think, right? Thursday or Friday? Tomorrow is Thursday, right? Okay. So tomorrow we will complete these joins. And if you have any question, please come up with that. We'll discuss it. And then from Friday, we will go to that and we'll take in window functions. Okay. And if you have guys time on Saturday and Sunday, we'll plan that. I will take a 1.5 hour session. And by this Saturday and Sunday, we will complete our SQL training course. Okay. Fine then, guys.
Yes,
Any
then
question? Final call?
weekends we can do analytic function.
Yeah, sure. And I'm very sorry, guys. We have extended this. I promised for 5 weeks, but yeah, we have extended this. But I will try to finish this by this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, Tanvir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.